As a kid, I always loved to dance, but my wife never danced with me. So when my wife left, I found Carrie. We have been together since she was 2 months old. I love Carrie with all my heart, maybe even more than my ex-wife. She is beautiful and she dances like an angel. The first audition, getting 3 yeses, was amazing. But Heidi thought we were boring.
I'm sorry, I'm gonna give you a no.
What?
I'm sorry.
For the performance, we have a new dance. This time will be exciting.
Oh, look who's here.
The dog!
We want to go to the live show.
I remember your first audition very well. What are you going to do different today?
Today, we're going to dance the merengue. The merengue is different.
George, can you ask Carrie if she's excited?
¿Estás excited para estar aquí con nosotros? Dale mucho éxito.
You speak dog.
Oh. Okay, Jose, Carrie, good luck.
Can't believe a dancer kicks the dog.
George, George, you had a look.
I've never... You know, I can honestly say that I've never seen anybody do that before. You know, I've never been able to make a dog do anything without half a hot dog, so I was impressed.
I thought you were really fantastic. And you rose to the occasion. I think it's great.
Mel, what do you think?
Today is, you know, the make or break whether you go through to the next round. You guys are cute and you are adorable. You know, we've only got 7 spots out of 20 acts. I'm not sure if cute and adorable is that good enough, I have to be honest.
Wow.
Last time we saw you, I was the only one on the panel that gave you a no. Everyone gave you a yes. I do think it's really cute what you can do with your dog. It's incredible, but it does get repetitive.
I don't think you're giving them enough credit, Heidi. That dog dances. Jose, you're going to find out later on, but thank you both very much indeed, particularly you, Carrie.
Hilarious. I mean, it's a bit odd.
It's very odd.
Thank you for being